It's Jamie and Ireland from Seven Stands Farm again. Just wanted to say today's video is going to be totally different than anything we've done before. We had one of my friends from work bring his family over, his wife and his kids, and they just kind of hung out on the farm, fed some baby goats, went and looked at some pigs, had lots of questions and had lots of fun. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It sure would help us out. And let us know in the comments what you think about this video. Just started with a couple of goats and kind of got into the hobby, and I just love it. All right, here's you a bottle.
All right, listen.
Here, we'll go.
My bottle. Now, how did you get this milk? Is it goat milk?
No, it's not goat milk. It's a milk replacer. You buy it in a bag.
Okay.
And then I mix it like that.
How are you gonna open the gate?
Yeah, this is a cheap old gate. I just come right on in here. You might get your feet muddy.
That's why we wore their
Yeah.
boots. Luna's doing pretty good. Luna's controlled. Frisky's wide open, boy.
It's funny that he got frisky when he's the nervous one.
I wish I got
You wish you got Luna.
They don't go.
That's the
I'm
mama.
done. All done.
See, she's already finished it up and wants
Wait, there's a
more.
little bit in there. Turn it up. See if she can get it.
She'll try it. She'll take every drop.
Now that's
No,
the
that's
mama
the
goat.
mama.
Mama don't need any.
The mama's giving you kisses, saying thank you for feeding my baby. Is there any in there?
That's
Look at that face. So cute.
Turn it up a little higher. So there you
There you
go.
go.
Good job. You want to lay your head on it? She soft it and she.
They're not gonna bite you, baby.
No, they just like to play. Now look, Frisky's trying to
no,
take.
No, Frisky. That's Luna's. No, that's Luna's.
See, I'm telling you.
Poor Luna.
There you go.
No.
No, that's
This ain't for
Frisky,
you.
I mean.
No, Mommy. Can we get over there to the other gate?
Easy.
Yeah, we'll have to. That's why we
I've
wore.
never eaten goat.
It's really good.
What does it taste like?
Beef, mostly. It's really super lean and super healthy. It's really the #1 protein in the world that's consumed.
Oh, really? Just pooping them all. Oh, how many's in there?
4. I got 4 in here.
You love some bacon, sausage.
Well, I'll let you
everything.
know. We're
Everything
going
pig. We love it.
we're going to have some sausage and everything. Pork chops.
All that's our favorite in our
Yeah,
house.
me
Here they
too.
come, Mookie. Look
Good
at these little
job.
runts. They're little.
They like to sleep under that tree. I think they like playing in the woods.
They do. Hang on, I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna get them to go down there. Okay. What I'm trying to do. Hey, look, there they go. Go down there, Jonah. Oh boy.
There you go. careful, Luke. That's Briar's boy.
So you're all in the poop.
All right. So when are you coming back next time? You gonna come back again?
Yes.
Yes.
When we come back again?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Luke, he's talking to you. When you coming back?
Next time. All right. As always, say it. We'll do it all again tomorrow. Say it one more time.
We'll do it all again tomorrow.
Great job. All right. That'll be perfect.